Welcome back everyone to another video. There is a car parked there. What the Anyway, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to Altona. We're going to go pick up forklift masts and then take them to get unloaded in Laverton, which is around the corner. Today we're in a big cab, as you can see. It's a big cab. It's got a C-15 cat motor in it. That's why it sounds delicious. Makes all the proper noises. So yeah, now we're just going to be heading down the freeway, dealing with all the lovely Melbourne traffic. So we're just getting on the East Link now, and then from the East Link we'll jump on the Monash, head through the city, and then yeah, start heading to Altona. Good thing about this truck is it's automatic, but it's still got a clutch, so you still got to clutch in for takeoff and stopping, but apart from that, she's auto, which is pretty good. What a lovely day. I think it's going to be raining all day, so good day to be inside a truck. If you guys want to see something too, by all means leave it in the comments and I will try to make it happen. If you want to see any certain types of videos or, you know, anything like that, just let me know. So we're just getting off the East Link now, heading towards the Monash. Nearly hit that bird. So hopefully traffic isn't too bad today, but I dare say it'll be terrible because it's Melbourne. traffic already, so we're still in traffic, but we can at least see the city now. So it's been traffic the whole way. We've now got 32 minutes to go. We're almost in the tunnel, so I'll get some videos of the truck in the tunnel, because I know everyone likes to hear that, so we're almost there. Finally out of traffic, thank God. So we're 4 minutes away. So it's over there somewhere, picking up these forklift masts. So yeah, when we go pick up these forklift masts, we're going to go drop them off, and then one of our own fronters is going to unload us and install it onto the forklifts. So it looks like we're turning up here. Horseburg Drive. the video again once we're loaded. Alright, we're loaded. We're loaded and ready to go. That's what we're taking in front of us. That's another guy from work. Wasn't too bad. The front up, that's my load there. The front I picked it up, put it on, strapped it down, and yeah, we're now on our way. So it's just around the corner. It's 14 minutes away apparently, so we'll be there in no time at all. So we're just following Chris from work in the Peterbilt. Miserable day at the moment. This thing's turbo noise is so loud. It's straight piped off the turbo, so that's why you hear so much turbo noise. Got a helicopter flying above us. Unit 235. Yep, that's it. There's the crane. Oh, maybe I was meant to ring that bell. Well, we're here, so we're gonna get unloaded. So we're backing into this door now. I'll show you guys in a second. We're backing it into that door there. So pretty straightforward. so we've just been unloaded. Now we've got another job to go to. We've got to go pick up bog mats and take them back to the yard. Now if people don't know what bog mats are, they're for cranes, so their legs go on the bog mat so it doesn't sink into the ground. So we're going to go pick up a full set of them and yeah, then get some lunch and then head back to the yard. So I'll get on the road and we'll go pick them up. We're coming up to the site now, 600 meters away. Pick up some bog mats and get loaded. They said that they have a crane to load us, so hopefully they do. Back into this place. Alright, we've got the bog mats on. As you can see in the mirror. Just gonna go get some lunch now, so I'm heading back to the yard. Some lunch and then probably end the video there, because it's just, I'll just be driving back to the yard, nothing too exciting, so. Guys, I might end the video here. Thank you all for watching, appreciate it. Once again, if you guys want to see anything like video related, just write it down in the comments and I'll try and work something out for you. But other than that, thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next one.